Respected parents and dear students, as you know, school is starting from 23rd November 2020 as per government and education department guidelines. Safety measures to be taken during a normal day school. Dear students, following are the safety measures and parameters to be followed to ensure your safety and discipline within the school premises. First, entry without face mask and sanitizer is prohibited within the school premises. Bring sanitizer and keep it along with you all the time. Keep your requirements along with you like water bottle, lunch box, stationery, etc. Fourth, don't share your belongings with anyone. That is stationery, books, notes, lunch, etc. Fifth, keep a distance of 6 feet with each other and avoid handshake. Sixth, don't gather and rush anywhere within the school premises as proper social distancing must be maintained. Seventh, have patience while entering and exiting school campus and classroom. Eighth, sanitize your hand properly and avoid to touch anything unnecessarily. Ninth, there will be no morning prayer and recess, so don't wander here and there unnecessarily and stay in your classrooms. Take your allotted seat and do your studies in free time and come to the school in your school uniforms.